Shrubs and flowers suitable for balconies and terraces, even for fall and winter. Hello to all plant lovers. In this video, we're going to talk about cold, hardy balcony plants. If you love plants, but are worried that the winter chill might harm them, this video is just for you. The plants you choose for your balcony should be able to withstand wind, rain, and low temperatures. In the following, we'll introduce some of the best cold-resistant plants for your balcony. When it comes to using suitable plants for balconies, we're talking about flowers and even shrubs that can withstand intense sunlight or low light common in south-facing homes, temperature fluctuations, dust, pollution, and other environmental factors. The flowers we'll mention are perfect for any terrace or balcony, and you can grow them in any size to enjoy their stunning beauty. Petunia. One of the most popular flowers for balconies, petunias produce abundant and colorful blooms each season and release a mild fragrance into the air at night. These flowers grow quickly and come in shades of pink, magenta, purple, red, or white. They thrive with plenty of sunlight and fertilizer, but require moderate watering, as overwatering can harm them. Geraniums. Geraniums are among the best flowers for balconies, known for their delightful fragrance and exceptionally fast growth. They require plenty of sunlight and water to thrive. Their blooms come in shades of pink, red, magenta, or white. Begonia. Begonia is a stunning flower that comes in shades of red, pink, orange, white, and even golden hues. Its heart-shaped foliage makes it incredibly attractive even without blooms. This plant is ideal for balconies with limited sunlight. It requires humidity and some fertilizer to grow well. Verbena. Verbena plants grow exceptionally well, with their stems developing beautifully. They can be grown in hanging pots to create stunning walls or placed in a corner of your balcony. These resilient plants can withstand intense sunlight and periods of low water. Their flowers come in a wide range of sizes and colors, adding variety and charm to your space. Shrubs and flowers for balconies and terraces. Before introducing the best shrubs and flowers for balconies and terraces, it's important to consider how much weight your terrace can handle. For this reason, large cement or clay pots may not be the best choice, and plastic or paper pots could be more suitable. You should also check the sunlight, humidity, and other environmental factors. Scented and herbal annual plants. These plants are always fresh and aromatic, and they take up relatively little space. For balconies with plenty of sunlight, you can grow plants like thyme, sage, rosemary, and chives. For balconies with low light, you can plant mint, parsley, sorrel, dill, and coriander. Caladium. This flower is ideal for balconies with its heart-shaped leaves, featuring a mix of green, pink, and red veins. Be sure to choose the variety based on its growth height, as they can vary. Andromeda Shrub. This shrub is suited to semi-tropical to temperate regions and requires acidic soil to thrive. If you're someone who often forgets to care for plants, the Andromeda is a great option. It creates lush foliage and produces pink flowers that begin blooming in late winter and early spring. Azalea Shrub leads naturally downhill into hilly deserts and is a major counterpart of Western gardens and home gardens. Brugmansia. Brugmansia is an evergreen shrub that grows easily even in colder regions. It produces flowers that release a pleasant fragrance at night. This shrub can also be grown in pots and is commonly known as the angel's trumpet due to its trumpet-shaped blooms. Buddleia. This beautiful shrub can be grown in temperate and tropical regions and is known for its woolly, butterfly-like clusters. Its cascading flower spikes come in a wide range of colors, from white to red, pink, purple, or blue. And you can find both short and tall varieties. These shrubs grow very quickly and are perfect for balconies, but you must pay attention to regular fertilizing and pruning. Evergreen plants for a north-facing balcony. All north-facing balconies typically get less direct sunlight and have cooler temperatures, which can directly affect plant growth. For these balconies, it's best to choose plants that are accustomed to shade or moderate to low light conditions and can tolerate cooler temperatures. Examples include ivy, hosta, elephant ear, caladium. Evergreen plants for a north-facing balcony. Either you decide to go propeller mode or the aftergreen face depending on your style of writing. All excellent evergreen plants for a north-facing balcony. For these balconies, it's best to choose plants that are accustomed to shade or moderate to low light conditions and can tolerate cooler temperatures. Examples include ivy, hosta, elephant ear, caladium, white lily or iris, and violets. All excellent evergreen plants for a north-facing balcony. Outdoor flowers to end this section. After introducing the best shrubs and flowers for balconies, we'll present outdoor flowers that can thrive in a variety of environments. You no longer need to worry about your plants and soil being too dry, receiving too little or too much light, or experiencing extreme temperatures. The flowers we're about to introduce are not only perfect for balconies, but they can also be planted in your garden. Ajuga. These flowers grow well in shaded areas, so you don't need to worry about insufficient sunlight. Ajuga, also known as creeping bugleweed, has beautiful colors and requires minimal care, making it an excellent choice for outdoor spaces. Its flowers bloom in spring with shades of blue and pink, and some varieties feature a combination of pink and silver flowers. These flowers are annuals. Persian Shield. If you're looking for a plant that can thrive in any condition, whether it's too much or too little sunlight, cold or heat, in the garden or as a balcony flower, Persian Shield is the perfect choice. This plant has beautiful flowers with dense foliage and is incredibly resilient. It may be one of the most stunning flowers you've ever seen. Desert Rose. one of the most beautiful flowers, as the name suggests, is extremely resistant to drought and lack of water. This plant has a bonsai-like appearance with thick, vertical stems and flame-like blooms. The thick stems store water, which is why it's highly resistant to dryness and doesn't require frequent watering. Pairing desert rose with cacti or sharp succulents is an ideal combination for balcony flowers. Autumn balcony, flowers that flow with automatic balconies that prevent flowing water to assist in flower planting. The flowers that represent the flight of insects are typically plants that bloom in fall and can continue their flowering through the season. These plants should be able to withstand cold temperatures and not require intense direct sunlight. The following flowers are excellent for balconies during the autumn season. Oxalis. This attractive plant grows easily and thrives in low light or full shade. It blooms in a range of colors, including purple, light lavender, peach, and white with a hint of pink. It requires well-draining soil for optimal growth. Blackade Susan is the most various and effective form of blackade. This 2-year-old sunflower-like flower is ideal for balconies in the autumn. Its blooming period begins in mid-summer and extends through late autumn. It's easy to grow from seeds and requires well-draining soil, keeping the soil moist, and it thrives in direct sunlight. Winter balcony flowers. Cold-resistant plants. Balconies must be able to withstand harsh winter conditions. Otherwise, they won't be able to grow or adapt during this season and could even perish. Here are some excellent winter-resistant options. Ice plant. Known for its cold resistance, the ice plant thrives in extreme cold conditions. Its ability to endure freezing temperatures and frost makes it ideal for colder regions, especially in Mediterranean climates. The plant's dark white leaves protect it from drought and intense cold, making it an excellent choice for areas with snowy, cold winters. Juniper. Juniper is a cold, hardy plant that can survive even in freezing temperatures down to about 93 degrees Celsius. This plant is perfect for regions with cold, snowy winters as it thrives in harsh conditions. Black-eyed Susan. This ornamental plant can also resist cold temperatures. It can endure freezing conditions and is generally resistant to temperatures below zero. However, in regions with extremely cold winters, it may require additional protective measures, such as covering the petals with snow protection. List of cold and heat-resistant balcony plants. Here's a list of some balcony plants that can tolerate both cold and hot conditions. Anthurium, ivy, hedera, acacia, bougainvillea, paper flower, pomegranate vine, punica, water lily, jasmine, panicular phlox, phlox with leaves that transform into flowers, alder, jasmine, and Dulthete. Absolutely no shade. If you have any experience with growing cold-resistant plants, make sure to share it with us in the comments section. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.